What's going on, everyone? Welcome to the video, and today we'll be talking about Amazon Polly. This is part 4 in the series that I'm doing about AWS Managed AI Services. Episode 1 was about Amazon Comprehend, Episode 2 was about Amazon Transcribe, and Episode 3 was about Amazon Translate. So today we are doing Amazon Polly, and this is Amazon's text-to-speech service. So let's get straight into the video. Alright, so let's start the video off by looking at what Amazon Polly offers. So first of all, it offers realistic speech. It uses deep learning to generate human-like voices. It has lots of voice variety, so it offers a wide range of languages, accents, and even tones. And it also has customizable output to adjust the speed, pitch, volume, and pronunciation of the outputted voice. It also has flexible formats to support MP3, OGG Vorbis, and many more. Let's look at some features and benefits of Amazon Polly. So first of all, it is clear and expressive, so it can deliver high quality natural sounding speech. And then custom lexicons, which means to define specific pronunciations for words or phrases. And then it has SSML support, so you can fine tune the tone and the emphasis and pacing with markup. It has a newscaster style, which is ideal for delivering news and informational content. And then, as all the previous managed AI services that we've looked at, and most other AWS services for that matter, it is pretty affordable because we are using the pay-as-you-go model, which means you don't have to pay for upfront fees. You just pay for what you use. Let's quickly look at the integration that Amazon Polly has with other AWS services. So first of all, you can use Amazon Lex to power a chatbot with speech and natural language understanding. You can use Amazon Connect to enable personalized voice in contact centers. You can use Amazon S3 to store and manage Polly-generated audio files. And you can use AWS Lambda to automatically trigger speech generation based on events. And this Amazon Polly is what powers the Amazon Alexa device. Alright, now lastly, let's look at some use cases of Amazon Polly before we go into a live demo. First of all, we can use it in IVR systems to build natural voice prompts for call menus. We can use it in e-learning to turn educational content into engaging audios. In accessibility to help users with visual or reading challenges through text to speech. And then in media to create voiceovers for videos, audios, and even games. Alright everyone, I'm here in the AWS console and let's navigate over to the Amazon Polly service. Alright, now here you can paste some of the text that you wanted to use. So I just have this text about Amazon Polly, and then you can select your language. So we can do US, English, Indian, and then we can listen.
Amazon Polly is a cloud service from AWS that converts text into lifelike speech.
And then you can, change whatever it is here. So you can do Spanish and listen.
Amazon Polly is a cloud service from AWS that converts text into lifelike speech.
You can also have these different engines, but because, this is just a region specific thing. So I think let me switch over to Ireland. Don't know if this is only available in US. Let's see. Okay, yeah, so we have a neutral voice now. Let's use the English Indian again.
Hi, my name is Kajal. I can read any text you type here.
And then let's just compare it to the standard one. Yeah, this voice isn't selected, so this one.
Hi. My name is Ravina. I can read any text you type here. Hi.
Okay,
My
so
name
there you
is
can
Ravina.
see the
I can
difference.
read any text you type
And
here.
then in the additional settings, you can specify some other stuff here, like the pronunciation, and then you can also download the speech, and then you can save it to S3. And then that's it for this video, guys. We have went over the Amazon Polly service. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you found the video useful, and I'll see you again next time.